What's up, goodies? Welcome back to your girl channel and to my kitchen how to cook. And honey, I'm about to turn up this cinnamon egg custard pie in the kitchen fast, easy and simple. Make sure you subscribe, goodie, and turn on your post notifications so you won't miss another upload. And for all I'm returning goodies, I don't know some love already. Are you ready for cook? Let's cook. Okay, my darlings, so today I'm going to show you how to achieve making your egg custard two ways, all right? Two different methods. So make sure you're getting all these notes so you could get it right. If you want to achieve the texture that I have here, this is the way to go, but I'm going to show you another way, all right? Now in my container here, I have 6 eggs, and you want to be sure 100% to remove the eye of the eggs before you move on to making your egg custard. Now you don't have to use the hand mixer because the hand mixer gives it a more dense texture. If you want it to be much more creamier, go ahead and use a fork. It is going to get you the more creamier texture when you are making your egg custard, all right? But however, don't worry, goodie, I'm going to walk you through the steps to achieve a different kind of a texture and flavor if you want to make it more creamier and less fluffy like I'm doing here, okay? All right, after you have done that, you're going to go get your milk. I'm using almond milk, okay? Now, if you don't want it to be as fluffy as mine is going to be at the end of the recipe, you don't have to add any milk into it. Just go ahead and just mix until everything combines together here. Now after about a minute or so, I went ahead and had the remainder of the milk here, and I am going to list everything that I use for the recipe, and I'm also going to also add the amount of what you would need if you want a more creamier texture. So just look out for that. It will be in the description. I'll add all the amounts and everything that I use to the recipe. All right, I have to know 100%. All right, so I just went ahead and just mix it all in here, blend it all in, smooth it all out until it was nice and fluffy, just like that. This would make a perfect eggnog recipe, right? Now, after I've done that, this is what I did. I went in for my dry ingredients and my vanilla. Now, you want to go in and add the vanilla. It doesn't really matter what you add first. Just go ahead and add that. I went in with some nutmeg, cinnamon powder, all right? I did add a little bit of salt. And I also went in for my ginger powder as well, all right, and some mixed spice. Now when you're making it very creamy, you don't want to add all that ingredients to it. And again, I will definitely list a separate ingredient to show you how to achieve a much creamier egg custard recipe, okay? We're gonna take one stone and kill two birds right here. However, I'm using my hand mixer just to combine everything in nicely. And I did went in and add some NSC. Now, y'all, this is totally optional, but husband wanted some NSC in it, and I did add some rum. Mama always used to add white rum into our egg custard, so I just went ahead and add the white rum, especially when she was making it for Christmas time. She always add that, so I just add a little bit, and it does kill that flavor from the eggs, because if you're not careful how you're making egg custard, it will be very eggy when you're finished. And trust me, me not like no eggy egg custard, all right? So you want to add just a little tad of rum into it, but if you're going to serve for a child, you definitely want to skip that process. Now, as far as your sweetener is concerned, I'm using the sweetened condensed milk here, and you are going to sweeten to your liking, all right? I do like it sweet. I have to confess, when I'm doing this type of a thing, I do like it sweet. I cannot have egg custard. Oh man, I'm sorry, I missed that. Being a vegan, I can't have it. But anyway, when I am making it, I have to add a lot of sweetener. I love milk in it. Get that nice like a yum flavor. Yes, so just go ahead and add your sweetened condensed milk and sweeten to your liking. Mix it up, and that looks pretty good. Okay. Now my oven is already on, y'all. You want to turn your oven on, and I will also list everything again in the description, the oven temperature and all of that. Just go ahead and pour it out into your baking container of choice here. All right. Remember we're making cinnamon egg custard here. All right. So when you're done pouring all of that, you want to be able, when the thing is baked, you want to see that cinnamon on top. That's why it's called a cinnamon egg custard. Yeah. So you're going to definitely go in and add just a tad more bit of the cinnamon on top. When it bakes, y'all, whatever you have sitting in the mixture, it is going to push its way up to the top, and it's even going to form a much darker, you'll see at the end of the recipe, right? You'll see what me I talk about. But when I bake it, I like to steam it as well. So in a baking container, I go in and add some water to it. Sometimes Mama used to do it on stove top too. You can also do it on the stove top, but I'm doing it in the oven. Steam it in the oven. Go ahead and place it inside my baking container with my water. Make sure so your water is at a nice level all the way up to the top of your container. All right. And to steam and trap that steam in, all I'm doing here is just cover it up with some foil, just like that. All right. And I'm going to place this into my preheated oven and allow it to bake for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, it's all done. And this is what you will have. Cinnamon egg custard. The thing is yummy. And that pinch of the Hennessy honey and the white rum in it. Turn up. That cinnamon flavor clashing with the eggs is off the chain. And again, y'all, I'm going to show you how to make it less dense than this. All right, this is how it looks when you use the hand mixer, but if you want a creamier texture, go in and use your fork. It is off the chain goodness. Thank you for watching, y'all. Don't forget to share all this good love with all your friends and family. Please tell them what's going on over here. Bring them, come and send them, come. I am waiting. After you get doing all of that, please tell me where you want to have me a cook next in my kitchen. And remember, as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy!